When Lucas Tobre trying to calling Marcus Tobre, but Marcus Tobre don't attend the call of Lucas Tobre, then Lucas Tobre go into the home and he will see another twin on with Marcus Tobre, and Lucas Tobre asking about this twin to his friend Steve, but Steve don't answer it. Then Lucas Tobre calling to her girlfriend Yvonne and telling all the situation, and then Lucas Tobre trying to talk with his brother Darius Tobre, but he don't talk with Lucas Tobre about this topic. And then Lucas Tobre going to talk with Marcus Tobre, but Marcus Tobre behavior is so rude with Lucas Tobre. Then Lucas Tobre looks so angry and he trying to leave the house and he will go into her car. Then Marcus Tobre going to telling the truth to Lucas Tobre and telling it's just a prank, don't worry. So guys, thanks for watching it.